So now let's get the cash flow statement data from profit.com. Okay, so again, go to the documentation under fundamental data, stocks. For cash flow, we'll have the again copy this sample request, sample URL. Okay, then let's go to the query here. We already have query for income statement for balance sheet, so let's add another query, new source, web, and let's paste this URL we just copied. And again, instead of Tesla, let's use AAPL, Apple, and also you wanna copy and paste your personal API here. So I just pasted my personal API and clicked OK, and now it's loading. Again, it will take some time. Right now, this cash flow statement is loaded, and again, let's first, instead of using Power BI Desktop's default steps, let's just go straight to the second step. After Power BI pull the data and convert it to a table, let's just customize our next steps instead of relying on the default step. Takes some time, but now we get to the second step here. Again, I just want to have the quarterly report of cash flow statement. I will just click on this record under this quarterly column. Alright, and again, you're about to create a navigation step that replaces subsequent steps. That's just what we wanted. Okay, we don't want to rely on the default steps anymore. So just continue. And here we go. We get to this different quarterly dates and different records. Some dates they do not have record. Okay, but that's fine. So I just convert this into a table format. Click on this button, and I'm going to again rename this date. Change the type to date type, and value I will expand this full column. See, this is all the items in the cash flow statement. Okay, I will choose them all, and without checking this box. Okay, I don't want any prefix for those item names. I will just use the original item names. So click on OK, and here we go. We have the items from the cash flow statement listed here for different dates each quarter. Okay, so lastly, I will just rename this quarter recall we want to change the URL to make it incorporate parameters for the stock symbol, right? So to do that, again, go to the advanced editor, and let's copy this URL. So I just pasted the URL here in this notepad. Okay, this is this URL for cash flow statement. Again, I'm going to restructure it. So I'm going to first copy it and rewrite it in a different way to incorporate parameters. So again, the first part is this base URL, followed by this stock symbol. So instead of stock symbol, I'll call it, instead of the static name, I'll call it stock symbol. So it's gonna be a parameter now, and then followed by this string. Okay, token equals. I mean the question mark token equals. This is a string, so I'll keep it as string. Okay. Then followed by this your API key. All right, and of course I want to replace this with a parameter. API key parameter. We already set this parameter up already for the income statement, for the balance sheet, and for the daily price data, right? So now I basically just rewrite this URL into 4 parts. It consists of the base URL first, followed by a parameter called stock symbol, then followed by another string, question mark token equals. Okay, this is basically copying this part. Then followed by another parameter, API key. All right, so now connect them using the ampersand. Okay, connecting those parameters and strings with ampersand. Now it's a combined a continuous URL. All right, so copy this and be back here to replace the original URL. Okay, I just replaced the original URL with my my edited one with the parameters setting. All right, now I click on done. All right, so originally, remember, we have Apple's cash flow statement here. Okay, so now it's Costco's. I think you can change to Apple's again. Let's see. Yeah, the numbers are different. Okay, so this is Apple's cash flow statement. Start in December 1989, and this is 2611 something. Okay, so if I change the symbol to Costco, okay, let's see, now it starts in August 1989, and the number is different, 5090 something. Okay, so this is basically the Costco's cash flow statement. So basically, once you change the stock symbol parameter, you can use any stock you want. All right, this cash flow statement is going to show that particular stock. All right, the same goes to the income statement and balance sheet as we have seen before.